How to add a contact on WhatsApp for Android. The person who you wish to talk on WhatsApp needs to have an account for you to be able to do that. So, if you want to add a contact that you know and it does not have an account on WhatsApp, send him an invite link. To add a new contact, tap on the message button from the bottom. Tap on the new contact. Write the name of the person and also her phone number. Please be sure, if the number is from another country, to write also the country code as well in the number. After you have finished this, tap on Save. After the contact is saved, if that person has a WhatsApp account, you will have these options with the icon from WhatsApp. Let's go back to the app. Tap on that new person. You will now be able to send a message, give an audio or video call to this new contact you just added. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.